If you're looking for a quick and fun Halloween decor idea, then I might have something for you. In this video, I'll show you how you can transform a simple LED candle or even a simple drinking glass into something beautiful. Turn the lights off. Hey there, and welcome to the Totally Fierce Crochet channel. My name's Thomas, and how cool is this? With just a simple crochet candle cozy, you can create such a stunning Halloween decoration. And if you're wondering why my skull has ears, those are just my fingers. All you need for it is a straight item. I use these LED candles. I'm sure you can get them on Amazon, but you can also use a drinking glass and put a candle in it for the light effect. But honestly, it works even without the light and still looks super cool. And you can, of course, make it in different colors, just as you wish. Now, since I have plenty of filet crochet tutorials on my channel, I will not guide you through the entire process step by step, but of course I'll show you the key steps and stitches to make your own skull candle cozy. And as a little treat, you will also get a full written pattern, including a detailed visual of the skull design with measurements, etc., and yarn recommendations, hook recommendations, and of course the full written steps to create your candle cozy as a little treat from myself for Halloween. So make sure to download the PDF in the description. To show you the key steps, I'll be using the Halloween Friends cotton from Hobbii. It's 8/4 quality, and I'll be using a 3mm crochet hook to do it, mainly because working with black yarn will not be visible for you and not visible for my eyes, so it's definitely easier to see it with the orange yarn, but it still keeps everything Halloween. Start your candle cozy with an I-cord or chain to determine the size. Make sure to keep it a few stitches shorter than your item. You want to have it tight, and the following stitches are a bit wider. Close the I-cord or chain to a round by slip stitching into the first stitch. Feel free to add stitch markers to mark where you want the skull visual to be. Now we start each round with a stacked single crochet, so go back into the very first stitch and pull the loop through, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through both of these loops, and then go back into the front bar of the single crochet and then yarn over, pull it through, 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through both of these loops. So we can then start with our double crochets. The first double crochet is a regular double crochet, so go in the next stitch, yarn over, go in, pull it through, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. Now all the other double crochets are linked double crochets. Here's how to do linked double crochets. First, instead of yarning over, you go through that sidebar right here of the previous double crochet, then yarn over and pull the loop through, and then you go in the next stitch, yarn over again, pull through. Now again you have the 3 loops, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. I'll show it again. Here's the front loop. You go in, yarn over, pull it through, and then you go in the next stitch, yarn over, pull it through, 3 loops, and you can finish it as a regular double crochet. Start with a full round of stitches. If your item is higher than the skull visual, make sure to add full rounds at the bottom and the top. To create the visual, chain 1, skip 1 stitch and make a double crochet in the following stitch. This creates the typical squares. And then again, chain 1, yarn over, and skip 1 stitch, And one more. If you want to make a full square on top of a blank square, make the center stitch right into the empty square. And from there, continue following the pattern round by round. And once done, put the finished candle cozy on the item. And stretch it to fit like a second skull skin, if that's even possible. By stretching it, the pattern or the visual will be visible super nicely. And then all you have to do is to turn the candle on and, of course, turn the lights off. And your super cool candle cozy is done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick rundown of a candle cozy for Halloween with the skull visual, and I hope you're going to make one for yourself or even more. They look absolutely beautiful outside in the dark or like in the window as a window light. I absolutely love them, and I hope you love them too. And the skulls and I say thank you for watching, and we hope to see you back again next time only at the Totally Fierce Crochet channel. Bye! Let's have a little skull party here.